So yesterday we discussed about the creation of general ledger accounting. This is the path, right? You remember we created till wages, right? You can see. We created till salaries till here. So I'm going to create wages. Gita, yesterday creation of general GL accounts. I mean general ledger accounts. I started. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Gita, right? And Jyoti, you can watch it. Okay, you can start. So yesterday I'm selecting create option. Now I'm creating using copy option. Click on copy. This is the one, right? Salaries. I'm giving using reference GL account. I'm creating another GL account. So better salaries related will give once will move 10 GLs. I mean 10 numbers. I'll start from 400010. So however you want, you can create GLs. So it's one expenses, right? So it's also expenses. You can note down. Surendra, video, please put off. Okay, it's also expenses. I'm creating wages GL account. Please note down. Wages. Expenses. Select P&L account. Wages account. So I'm already copied from salaries account, right? So everything it is copied. You can look on it. Control data INR. So no need to duplicate your work. So no need to, once again, you can go to create, select only balances in local currency. If it is same expenditure GL account, you can copy. See, everything is copied. If you want, you can note down. Pooja and Geeta, you already have taken printouts, right?
Oh, yes, sir.
Jyoti, please take printouts. Whatever I'm giving, it will helpful for you.
Sure, Santosh, sure.
Okay. Please let me know once you note it down.
The control data, sir. I have to.
Okay. Can I go to control data tab? Oh, okay, please.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Noted down. Account currency
Yes,
INR,
sir.
only balances in local currency, line item display, sort key. Create bank interest. Done. Field status group. I'm saving.
Yes.
Okay. Wages created. I want to create one more GL account, rent expenses. Before creating rent expenses, I'll go to once again theory. So till now we have created, someone please mute. So till now we are using FS00T code. We have another options, FSP0, FS00. I will explain about this too. So this is segments in GL master. These are segments in a GL master. Data in GL master record divided into two segments. They are chart of account segments and company code segments. Chart of account segments and company code segments. Okay, what is chart of account segment? Data maintained in type or description tab of GL master record is known as chart of account segment data, FSP0. This is FSP0, chart of accounts. So you can see here type or description. You need to enter. So type or description only available. You observe FS00. We have type or description. I'll control data, create our bank interest. Here only we have type or description tab. This is one segment. This is chart of account segment. Another one is company code segment in T code FSS0. This is company code segment. We'll go to FSS0. Here control data, create our bank interest tab, only information available. So what is company code segment? Data maintained in control data and create our bank interest tab is known as company code segment data, FSS0. So what is important note? Data maintained in chart of account segment is applicable to only company codes using chart of accounts. Data maintained in company code segment is applicable to only one company code only. You understand? If you create a GL account in FSP0, it is applicable to all your company codes. So the data you can use it in all company codes. If you create a GL account in FSS0, it is applicable to only company code. So FS00 centrally we can use it. All company codes also we can use it. So the both contains information. It contains here only in FS00 only. Okay. Advantages of segmentation of master records. Okay, what is the advantage we have using these GLs? Advantages of segmentation in case of GL master is what? That we can use same chart of accounts across several company codes and still be able to maintain individual preferences. Able to maintain individual preferences. You understand this term? We able to maintain individual preferences for each company code like currency, sort key, field status, group. So for example, already we have created centrally few GL accounts, but still one of the company code required one GL account. For example, in Europe, you are aware about the pink slips. For example, if they want to remove one employee, they will pay some of amount. In that case, we can create one GL account like a severance expenses. That is called severance expenses. So if in interview, what is the business scenario for creating company this GL account, company code segment wise? So you can create. So individual, it is an individual preference. Particular company code they required, they wanted to pay. So we need to create a expenses GL account like severance expenses. In that case, we can create using this GL account. You understand? This is, I'll share this theory also. Segments in GL master. You can read it once again. So directly, that is reason I am creating FS directly in company code in T code FS00. Okay. So next, every time you are using FS00. So it's you want to create a favorites. See, in easy access screen, we can create favorites. So I want to regularly, I want to use, for example, go to new screen. Better. This one, favorites. You can see directly I can go to FP50, double click on it. You can go to directly that respect to GL account, T code. See, I move to add to favorites, this T code, add to favorites. See, it is added, right? Once again, I'm closing this session and going to, once again, I'm going to new session, favorites. See, it is added FS00. The same way you want to add another T code. You can create insert, you can insert folder. Okay, you can change, you can delete, insert, you can directly here, you can insert T code also. See, F-02. See, you business, they will post their only F-02. They can use F-02. Okay, insert a transaction. One more, F-03. Okay, you can delete if you don't want. You can delete. See, deleted. Delete favorite, deleted. Delete, deleted. For example, you want to insert folder. See, insert folder. Only, for example, they are in GL team or AP team or MDM team. Directly, you can insert folder. You can insert transaction. Insert transaction. So, if MDM team, they use FS00. You can insert. So, likewise, you can use favorites also. Next, we'll create one more GL account, rent account. Go to your easy access screen, FS00. Okay, already I have expenses. So salaries, this is rent, right? Rent. Company code GSIN. Okay, it is note down expenses, rent, rent account. Please note down. If you want, you can note down. Okay, please confirm once you note it down. The account group
Yes,
is
sir.
expenses,
Noted, sir.
P&L account, rent account, long text also rent account, controlled. INR, account currency is INR. Select only balances in local currency. Select line item display. Thought key 001. Create bank or interest. G001. Field status group. So in this T code, while creating a GL account, we can control the GL accounts. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Can I save it? Right. Yeah. From here, so whatever we have created, right? You can using F.10 display the GL accounts created in the chart of accounts. So we have created many GL accounts, right? You can see using F.10. Okay, our chart of accounts is GSIN. So still, if you don't know, you forgot your GSI, your chart of accounts also, you can just drop down. You can search. Okay, so you can search like, or you can drop down here like here. Okay, you can execute. So we have created how many? 6 GL accounts: cash account, rent, wages account, salaries account, retained earning account, equity share capital. We have created as of now. So this T code is not available in F.10 in S4 HANA. S4 HANA, this T code is not available. You can note down. So this is new T code in S4 HANA. Same chart of accounts and execute it. That's it. Only T code is changed in S4 HANA. Okay. Next, something we need to change our GL account. We wanted to edit. So how? Please go to your FS00 screen. Okay, FS001. So already it's there. GL number. Better 1 second. Go to menu. GL account. 1 second, I'll go back because it is not appearing. Okay, GSN. Okay, expenses. Our rent account. Please double click here. Selected. Because unless until you double click on it, you won't select it. Okay, we have given GL number, company code. Now go to menu, GL account. Change, actually it should appear, or else now it is option, it is there. You can click on here, change option, pen. Click on change. Okay. Now you want to anything, whatever you want, you can change it here. I want to unselect only balances in local currency. I want to give complete text here. Okay, save it. Okay, you whatever you change it, right? Text, and in control data tab also, you unselected the only balances in local currency tab. You saved, right? So you want to display the changes made to this GL account. So you go to FS04. We have the path also, or else you want to, if you want to go using this T code, you can go. We'll create a new session. Pathways also you can go. Accounting, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master records, GL accounts, display changes. So we have created centrally, right? You need to create centrally FS04. So what is our GL account? Same thing it is appearing. Company code GSIN. Enter. So you can see all changes. What we have changed here? You remember? We changed only balances in local currency. You can see balances in local currency field change. Long text we change. Short text also we change. See, select all changes. Old one. New one 0. Balances in local currency. Earlier we selected. Now we are not selected. Old one rent account. See, I have given like rent account. New one I have given only rent. See, old one, new one. You can see all changes here in T code FS04. One second, I'm going to here. I'm changing here. One second, I'm selecting local currency. Okay, I'm updating as a rent account. Save it. Now, so if you want to see once again the changes, whatever, you please go every time. Once again, enter. Or click on all changes. See, you can see now we have selected short text we have given balances in local currency earlier we have selected, right? You can see already now we have selected. This is latest one. Yeah, if you have any doubt till here.
Santosh, good morning.
Good morning, Giri.
Sorry, can you explain one more time FS00 centrally and company code? I was late actually.
Okay, recording available, Giri.
Okay.
Okay, recording available. We have theory also about the segments.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, still if you not understanding, I will explain tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, please watch it today.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Next. Changes we have done it till now. Next step is blocking of GL account. So next, this one. See why blocking. First, for example, I'll do the block option. We'll explain one sec. Click on block. This is the option you need to select the respective GL account. You need to block. Blocked for creation, blocked for posting. Whatever you want, you can block it for planning, block in company code, block it for posting. Just you can save it. So you can block using this option. Once again, select here, block. See, this GL account will not use no more because of any reasons. Business will ask or will hand over to them, right? Business MDM team will take care. Based on their requirement, they can block the GL account, they can unblock the GL account. In real time also scenario, I will tell you why we want to block or unblock. See, I told you right about the severance expenses in Europe scenarios. One of the company code they wanted to, every time they wanted to block or unblock because the GL account continuously they don't want to post. Even they don't want to disclose about that GL account also. Because see, in employees, they are removing one by one, right? If they disclose the GL account before itself, it will be disturbance, right, in any company. So they don't want to disclose everything. It will confidential, it will go that GL account. Whether if you want to post it, you need to take a approval, respective approval. After that only you can post the respective GL account, that respective GL account. So we'll send an email, please unblock this GL account for posting. I'll request with proper information. For example, we wanted to post so and so expenses to so and so GL account, please unblock it. At that time, the respective controller will unblock it. He will save it. So business immediately they will go to respective T code and they post the entry. Once again, he will send to controllers. Please unblock. Please block. I have posted it. Please unblock. Please you can block it. So immediately they will block it. So that respective GL account they will not. So entire business will not allow to post because it's global companies, right? So anyone can post it in that respective GL. Immediately they can block the GL account in real time scenario also. So blocking of GL account and unblock also same. I repeated, right? Blocking and unblocking. Yeah. Coming to, we can post the posting of transaction, will cover it. But before this one, today I'll try to send the CO material, because simultaneously we'll go to controlling and GL accounts also. I'll send one more material. Please take a printout today. Before, because anyhow we are in posting transactions, right? I'll explain about the theory. Yeah, next posting of our business transactions only. Geeta, Giri, you are all are very familiar, but I'm only now this topic. Anyhow, it is a rebrush for you. Geeta and Pooja, others they wanted to
Sir,
know. Because you people must know about this document date, entry date, posting date. So see, we can post the entries, business transactions or document. We call it documents, entries, whatever, right? You must know this screen: document date, posting date, and the document type. So one by one I'll explain. So document date is date of the transaction is called document date. So the respective date of transaction is document date. You can give same day or same month or previous month also you can give it, or see previous year also you can give it here. System will allow. Whereas posting date, next posting date will go to, we can talk about this entry date later. Go to posting date. Date
Post.
with, yeah, please. Something you are trying to talk, Geeta?
No, sir.
Okay, please, please mute it. Okay, posting date. Date with which GL account is posted is called posting date. GL account is affected on the date. So date, for example, in real time business, previous month they are unable to post. Only the respective month only. See, for example, we are in June. They are in June month close only. So they are allowed to post only this particular period only. Because if you post previous month, it will not allow. The period also. See, for example, we are in period April, May, June, right? June, 3rd. Period 3rd only. You cannot post previous period. Why? Because earlier we discussed about the period controls, posting period controls. You remember all in basic settings and in enterprise structure, we discussed about the period controls because each month they control based on their requirements, they will control. But every in business real time, every month we consider as a posting period, right? The same period only can be posted in business. Okay. Coming to document type. This document type describe the whether it's a GL account or a vendor account or AR account. So we have many document types. We'll go to document types also. See, GL document SA, vendor invoice KR, vendor payment KZ, customer invoice DR, customer payment DG, asset postings AA. So it describes the whether it is a GL or AP or asset accounting. So you must give the document type also. So currency also same. And coming to entry date, while posting entries, you can show it because the same date, for example, you are posting in 29th, same date will appear. For example, you don't want to post, you want to post in a 1st June 2022. If you post this entry or document, today's date and time and the username will appear. Once we post it, you can see after posting. GL account, I mean, this documents or entries will post tomorrow. Okay, we'll explain about the. So that is entry date. See, I have given already examples also. I'll read it. So important note, out of the three dates of transaction, document date and entry date are used for information only. Posting date determines the date on which the GL account balance is affected and the posting period to which the transaction is to be posted. So the GL account balance is affected based on the posting date. Posting date determines the date on which the GL account balance is affected and the posting period to which the transaction is to be posted. It is very important for transaction. So example also given, date of transaction 31/3, posting date is 31/3/2020. Then it becomes March 2020 transaction. I told you right in June example, in our example. Next, posting keys. See, this is the posting key. It indicates whether it is a debit or credit because we are not maintaining here DR or CR. We are using 40 or 50. GL accounts, I mean, GL team, they use frequently 40 and 50 only. Posting key is used to know the following details of a line item, whether it is a debit or credit line item, whether it is posted to GL or vendor or customer extra. Third, whether the document is a payment transaction or not. In certain cases, it influences field status also. In GL component, it will be using the following posting keys: 40 debit, 50 credit. Yeah. We are about to close our session. We'll continue. I'll give the material today. Please take a print out. So we'll continue posting documents from tomorrow onwards. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye, sir.